Hi, I'm Dilip Sehgal, the CEO of Nexus Malls, which is one of India's largest mall companies. I'm extremely proud of the fact that IGBC has given us this fabulous award of Green Champions for the retail business. This is indeed a very proud moment for me and my team to be receiving this award. Uh, we believe that IGBC is doing excellent human service in this whole field of certification of green buildings. I was amazed to know and to read that today the footprint that IGBC has of buildings that are being certified is almost 8 billion square feet. Indeed, very commendable, and we are very, very proud to be associated with IGBC. We have a portfolio of 16 malls, out of which some of them have already got certified, and our intent is really to make sure that all of them over a period of time get certified. We're very, very committed to this, what is called, path of green, as IGBC would call it, path of green. Very, very committed to doing that. As Nexus, we also have an ESG policy in place, and it's basically very similar in terms of its objectives to what IGBC believes in. So one, of course, like I said, is to make sure all our assets, all 16 of them, get certified by IGBC. That's the first one. Second, increasing usage of renewable energy. As you know, the whole world is looking at reducing the carbon footprint, making sure that the climate change reduces substantially. There is a target of no more than 1.5 degrees centigrade increase in temperatures, and we recently saw what happened at Glasgow as well. I think each corporate has a role to play, and we are playing our bit by making sure that we now consume a fair amount of renewable energy in the form of solar, wind, etc. And over the next 3 to 5 years, the intent is to increase that share to whatever extent it is possible. The second part of our ESG strategy, obviously, is to make sure that we have zero water effluent discharge. And I think most of our malls now comply with that. Third one is waste recycling. I think all malls generate a fair bit of waste, and we try and segregate it, of course, but more importantly, we try and recycle most of it. Plastic is again a big, big issue today. And most malls, because of the nature of the business, do generate plastic. And we have a policy in place which makes sure that over the next few years, our disposal of plastic happens in a manner where it does not go into earth fills, etc., etc. So on the whole, once again, thank you, IGBC, for bestowing this great honor on us. And we are extremely, extremely proud to be associated with you. And a commitment to your path of green continues. Thank you.